Welcome to another episode of Man Pedal Garage. I'm Jason, and on this episode, I will be unboxing my first ever 3D printer and explaining why it's on this channel. Cut. I just want to let you know that I am unboxing this 3D printer because it's what I've been wanting to do for years. I want to design parts, I want to make parts, not only for my car, but for other people's cars. So you're gonna start seeing more design parts, more design videos, more 3D printed parts, test fitting, and hopefully I can work that into actual parts and all that good stuff. I'm unboxing a Bambu Labs P1S, and I've done a ton of research trying to figure out which 3D printer is right for me, and it's going to change a lot. It's the way of the future for me and this channel. I have a project that I'm working on right now for a customer. They want a gauge pod for their 82 Corvette. I also have I think it's a 76 Datsun that I will be designing a rear spoiler for, and a few other parts. I have parts for my car, the Mustang, the New Edge Mustang that I am currently working on and trying to figure out in a bunch of different 3D programs. So if that is something you're interested in watching, let me know. Comment down below so I know people want to see the design process, me working in 3D programs trying to figure this stuff out. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. It means the world to me. This is a small channel that I hope to grow into something huge where I am designing parts and building cars and doing a bunch of different cool stuff. So it would mean the world if you would just subscribe, like my videos, share them with friends that you think would enjoy this content as well. You can use this for a screenshot. Thumbnail.